All right.
Hello, America. Big John here. Starting the video off along with my brother, Big Norm. Woo! Yeah. And the Izzy. So, this is the third and final installment of our Dear Sister Terre Frison taste test. We have some pickled products from the glorious Gherkins company. This particular product is called the Henne Thang Relish. Henne Thang Relish. Gotta love it. All right. So, I'm just going to get the ball rolling and open the package, unseal it. And as we all know, I'm terrible at opening packages. But this one's going well. I think we may actually be able to get to this today.
Okay. Well, if you can use it, yeah, you can use this again.
Oh, cool.
It's resealable.
All right. All right. Yeah, that is some serious looking relish. Okay, so give it a Blake sniff test. Smells pretty strong. Kind of pungent, I would say. Give y'all a look at it. Oh, where am I?
Over here. You gotta come this way.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. Look at that. Ooh.
All right. So
Okay.
Tablespoon or a teaspoon for you.
1 teaspoonful of Henne Thang Relish. I love that name. What?
Does that have alcohol in it?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't think so, but who knows?
You give the big brother the tablespoon or the teaspoon. I'm getting a half teaspoon.
Oh man, you gave me a big one.
Heck yeah, I gave you the big. You the big brother. There you go.
Oh.
Oh no.
No.
Oh, I'm not liking this reaction here.
Oh, these pickle products are something else. Ooh, I gotta tell you.
Oh boy.
Okay, Big Norm.
It's my turn. It's my turn. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Woo! All right. Stroke that beard. Oh, that was some good knuckle cracks.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, man.
You're gonna need those, man, for protection.
Uh-oh. Let's see. The Henne Thang Relish. Oh, what does this say? This says the original. I can't tell what this is. It says the original something flavored pickle. Well, let me see. Let me add a little light to this. What does that say up here?
The original exotic flavored pickle.
Exotic. Oh, sorry for showing that light in your face like that.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Exotic.
Exotic flavored pickle.
That's a real good word. That's a very kind word.
Hey, what is this out of? This is out of Dallas, Texas. The glorious Gherkins LLC. All right. So, wait, there's another message on here. Tongue teasing and I can't read. Tongue teasing and palate pleasing. I read that earlier. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get this going. And like I said, I got the little half teaspoon. Gave Big John
I got the full teaspoon.
Full teaspoon. All right, let me give it the old Blake sniff test. Oh, that's alcohol.
It's strong.
That's definitely alcohol.
Doesn't taste like it though.
Because that smells just like the what was that called? The Wet Gentleman.
Oh, the sophisticated
Sophisticated gentleman.
Yeah, that I believe that was bourbon. In that.
Oh, man. Bourbon. Yuck. Yeah, I'll just go with my tongue, touch it. Oh, my God. Walk. All right, here we go, y'all. All right, down the hatch.
Yeehaw.
Here we go. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That's alcohol.
So,
I'm going to have to...
you know what we need is some big old brats where we can spread this on and catch a good old buzz.
I'll leave that for you.
Okay.
You can put it on them firecracker brats.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, Teray. You and Mr. Freezone gonna be doing some taste tests when y'all get here, Cleveland.
Yep.
We'll see you in a couple of weeks.
You owe us.
It's really out of trying this stuff. Oh. This stuff is kind of stuck in my mouth. Wait, hold on. Got my Cleveland Indians cup from Jacobs Field when they were the league champions in 2016. And doggone it, they lost to the Cubs in 7 games.
Stupid Cubs. Anyway, what do you rate it, Norm?
I gotta cleanse my palate some. All right. So, with that, it's relish.
Yes.
It's relish.
It is relish.
It's got alcohol in the relish.
Yes.
And the relish is pickles.
Yes.
Not a big fan of pickles. Definitely not a fan of relish. So, we're going to give it a 3/4 thumbs up anyway, though, because it was still pretty tasty. I can deal with this. I'm not going to put it on no food. I'm never going to buy it. But I'll give it a 3/4 thumbs up. Just because it was somewhat tasty. I can see people using this all the time. All right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and Big John. Let him get his, excuse me. Oh, it just passed Big Norm's burp test.
Yep. We got the okay from Big Norm's burp test.
And I'm stuck.
And
label stuck to me.
I'm going to give the Henne Thang Relish a thumbs up. I know I've been unkind on the other 2 products, but the relish is actually bearable. So with that, I say thumbs up, and Big John out.
All right. I'll put the gripper back on there.
All right. We're sealed up.
So we had the, what is that? The glorious Gherkins Henne Thang Relish. We had the Sophisticated Gentleman, which I'm assuming is the glorious Gherkins brand, but I don't know for sure. We'll have to double check that. And we got the glorious Gherkins Strawberry Cheesecake, which has no cheese, no cake. It's all pickles. Looks like you donated some blood and you got some stuff growing in your blood because it's pickles. I guess gherkins are pickles. But yeah, all 3 of those were tasty enough. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on the YouTube and TikTok. Let me put these back out here. Y'all can see them a little bit. Oh man, you can't see me at all. But that's okay. You don't need to see me. You know what I look like. So after you give it that thumbs up on the YouTube and you give it the subscription and follow on TikTok and YouTube, go ahead and
subscribe.
I just said subscribe.
Okay.
We're going to go ahead and
share.
Okay, we can share with our friends and family. And then we're going to go ahead and hit that notification bell on the YouTube.
Oh, the notification.
So we can get notified every time we post a video. And then leave us a comment. Me and Big John, we're going to need some comments about the glorious Gherkins and the Sophisticated Gentleman and the relish and all that stuff we had. The Henne Thang Relish. The strawberry cheesecake. That's not strawberry cheesecake. It's blood. There's stuff growing in it. All right, now, y'all know what to do. We'll see y'all later on. All right?
Peace
All
out.
right. Deuces.